The US Federal Reserve has made an abrupt policy shift, saying it's going to scale back its monthly bond purchases at twice the pace it previously announced, with them likely ceasing altogether in March. With the accelerated timetable, the Fed is on the path to begin raising rates from the first half of 2022. Our Hyo-sun has more.
The U.S. Federal Reserve announced Wednesday that it would move more quickly to pare back its pandemic-era bond buying program, pushing forward the end date to March 2022 from June.
At today's meeting, the committee also decided to double the pace of reductions in its asset purchases. Beginning in mid-January, we will reduce the monthly pace of our net asset purchases by $20 billion for Treasury securities and $10 billion for agency mortgage-backed securities.
Powell said there was unanimous agreement among the officials at the meeting of the policy-setting Federal Open Market Committee. He added the Fed is increasingly concerned about the persistence of inflationary pressures. He said this is one of the reasons why the U.S. economy no longer needs monthly bond purchases.
Economic activity is on track to expand at a robust pace this year, reflecting progress on vaccinations and the reopening of the economy. Aggregate demand remains very strong, buoyed by fiscal and monetary policy support and the healthy financial positions of households and businesses.
The Fed, however, pointed to the rapid spread of the Omicron variant of COVID-19 as a possible risk. The policymakers also signaled a strong likelihood of interest hikes coming next year, which would be the first since the Fed slashed short-term borrowing costs to near zero in March 2020. All 18 members of the FOMC said they see the case for at least one rate hike next year. 10 of them projected rates to increase at a range between 0.88 and 1.12%, while 5 said rates are likely to increase at a range of 0.63 to 0.87%. Some members of the committee expected 3 rate hikes next year, followed by another 3 in 2023 and 2 more in 2024. Hyo-sun, Arirang News.